Breaking: United States of Biafra International Attorney drags Nigeria DSS, Actinance and Radio Biafra to court. And my people, na to international court o, no be Nigeria court. This kind thing wey dey play for inside Nigeria Federal High Court of Nigeria, no be that kind court o, na international. You know, I used to tell people say dis present people wey dey dis Biafra movement, dem no dey smile, but some of you go think say na joke. If you do anyhow, you go collect anyhow. You understand? Because I don see reason why we are chasing the same thing and some people are busy chasing their fellow brothers and sisters, how to pull them down. Just like what is playing in Nigeria court now. Person wey cover face dey testify against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you check very very well, you fit discover say na Igbo. Even if to say the person no be Igbo, e must be an Igbo people dey ginger that guy make e dey do that thing wey e dey do for them. Believe me you. So this time around, na if you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. Why I dey talk this thing be say I know say some people go dey ask why United States of Biafra dey drag Radio Biafra wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu establish. Why dey drag am to court? E get why. So I go like make you just pay attention, pay very close attention, make I see how I go take squeeze this news. Make you understand am. Yes, so this news is all over the internet. Check different news media, they don carry the news waka. You understand? And the more reason why USB dey drag Radio Biafra, e get wetin the spokesperson talk. The alleged spokesperson, the person wey dem dey call Ekpa Powerful. Make una just lis ten to this news and dey share am, okay? So now, pay attention. The Nigeria State Security Service, which is behind persecution, summary arrest, and execution of Biafrans both in the homeland and abroad, and unlawful detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa has been exposed as the puppeteer behind a captive Radio Biafra and IPOB impersonators. Passing off a legal concept in which a party is misrepresenting goods or services as being the goods and services of another. This is exactly what DSS has done with counterfeit IPOB and Radio Biafra. DSS has created false personnel taking over dormant websites to spew disinformation about Biafra and its leaders. While Biafrans will not be surprised by the tricks and deceit of DSS, much of the world remains ignorant of Biafra liberation struggle and evil doings of DSS. Listen, not content with the murder and jailing of tens of thousands of innocent Biafrans, DSS has taken advantage of the forced arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa to take over several dormant organizations in order to manufacture dangerous evidence and create false news. One tentacle of Operation Doppelganger is the DSS hijacking of Kanu's Radio Biafra and creation of the first IPOB personnel known as Comrade Ekpa Powerful. Radio Biafra is incorporated in England and is dormant. Do you get it? Meaning they are not conducting business. Radio Biafra and first personnel Ekpa Powerful recently denounced affiliates of United States of Biafra as murderers and agents of Nigeria, including Mazi Simon Ekpa, who sits in solitary confinement cell in Finland for the crime of supporting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra. Only DSS and its twist agenda could develop such a plot. Are you getting it? United States of Biafra has instructed its legal counsel to immediately begin legal proceedings against Radio Biafra and Ekpa Powerful. Public notice which is attached, the legal prosecution of Ekpa Powerful, the captive IPOB and false Radio Biafra is but the start and serves as a warning to DSS that United States of Biafra will leave no stone unturned in exposing Operation Doppelganger affiliates. Now, the attached legal demand letter to Radio Biafra and Ekpa Powerful no be play o. I'll just go straight to the body of the letter, okay? This letter is from United States of Biafra International Attorney. Demand for retraction and apology for defamatory publication. Dear sir, we write on behalf of our client, the United States of Biafra (USB), an internationally recognized political and diplomatic advocacy organization pursuing the non-violent liberation and self-determination of Biafra people. This letter serves as a formal pre-litigation demand in response to the publication first posted on your website on or around March 27, 2025, titled ESM and IPOB was never involved in the barbarism that happened in Oso and other communities in Imo, Anambra State. The publication contains false, defamatory and malicious statements concerning our client and its affiliate, particularly in reference to United States of Biafra Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa and the United States of Biafra affiliate, the Biafra Liberation Army (BLA). The article falsely alleged, either directly or by implication, that Mr. Ekpa and the BLA, by the extension USB, are responsible for murder and other acts of violence in southeast Nigeria, are agents and collaborators of Nigeria government engaging in activities to undermine Biafra liberation, are engaged in barbarism and crime against Biafra communities, including Osu, Imo, and Anambra. These allegations are patently false, unsubstantiated, and defamatory. Neither Mazi Simon Ekpa, the BLA Defense Force, nor any affiliated entity or official of the United States of Biafra has been involved in any such act. Your publication in asserting these claims without any factual foundation or due diligence constitutes actionable libel under application domestic and international defamation law both in the United Kingdom and in United States. The published content attributed to a more powerful media and publicity self-described spokesperson for IPOB indicate infiltration of Radio Biafra by agents of the Nigerian Department of Security Services, as no Biafran would accuse one of their own imprisoned leader of such treachery. United States of Biafra, IPOB, and Radio Biafra are aware that Charles Soludo, Nigeria Governor of Anambra State, Hope Uzodinma, Nigeria Governor of Imo State, Peter Mba, the Governor of Nigeria Enugu State, and Nyesom Wike in Rivers State, and Asere Dokubo are the ones responsible for violence against Biafrans. Radio Biafra, by malicious defaming USB as its affiliate, is by extension also attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the original founder of Radio Biafra and the titular leader of all Biafrans. The publication in question has caused and continues to cause significant reputational damage, threat to the safety of United States of Biafra affiliates, and undermine the political and diplomatic effort of Biafra liberation movement. The article's tone, language, and structure evidence a malicious and deliberate attempt to discredit, malign, and incite hatred against individuals and organizations legitimately engaged in political advocacy. We hereby demand the following: immediate and full retraction of the article from your website and all affiliated platforms. A public apology to be published prominently on your homepage and social media channels, clearly retracting the defamatory allegation and correcting the public record. Cessation of further defamatory publications or statements regarding Mr. Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Liberation Army, or the United States of Biafra. Within confirmation within 7 calendar days of receipt of this letter that you will comply with the above demands. Failure to comply within the stated time frame will leave our client with no option but to pursue all legal remedies available, including but not limited to civil proceedings for libel, injunctive relief, and substantial damage in appropriate jurisdictions against Radio Biafra, Chibuike Nebo Okike, a more powerful, an agent of Nigeria Department of Security Services (DSS), who are responsible for this libel. This letter is reading without prejudice to any of our clients' rights or choice of jurisdiction, all of which are expressly reserved. Yours faithfully, Dr. Jonathan Levy, Legal Counsel, Office of Legal Affairs, United States of Biafra.